Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I am excited for today's video because it's round 2 with Makeupshayla and Colourpop. I went ahead and got the whole PR kit. If you saw the video that I did on things I saw on Trendmood and would I buy it, I said I was only going to get the eyeshadow palette and one of the lip kits. But when it finally launched, they had the whole PR kit for sale and it was only like $49. I feel like if you buy other collab PRs, like when a company actually sells the PR kits that they send out, it'd be somewhere around like $100, $200. So to get the whole thing for $49, I was like, sure, why not? So I went ahead and got the whole thing. So we're gonna use it on my face. First of all, I love the whole aesthetic of the collab, the whole, you know, caution tape. I just think it's all adorable. The eyeshadow palette, I was so surprised when I opened this. I'm not sure like what wasn't clicking for me, but I thought it was gonna be as big as the first palette that they came out with, but I guess it's less shades. Yeah, it's less shades, so I guess that makes sense. The 2 lip kits and then the 2 blushes. I've already opened the eyeshadow palette and I was swatching some of them, so this is just for show, putting them all back. Okay, out. So this is the palette. It has 9 shades in it and a really nice mirror for, you know, a brand like Colourpop where it's like affordable and things are like, you know, $6, $9. I feel like it's a really nice mirror in this palette, and I feel like it's travel size friendly type palette, so it'd be a nice mirror to have when you're traveling. I'm going with this red shade first. We're gonna use that yellow, like y'all just don't know. I'm gonna use that yellow somewhere here, and we're just going to go in with that shade. What I realized while swatching and even now while putting my brush into it is that it's kind of powdery, so that there's gonna be some kickback. Like you see that, how it's a little around the rims there. There's gonna be some kickback. Y'all know like that's not really an issue to me, but I know it is to some people, so when I notice it, I point it out. I'm gonna go in with this shade because, you know, she's looking hot fire-ish. What is it called? Oh, it's called Warning. See, like it's giving off that vibe that, you know, it's gonna be fire when you put it on. I don't think I said the name of this one. It's called Maintenance. Like, again, I'm liking the whole theme of this collab. All right, let me just start patting that. Ooh, I think she is shimming. All right, let's see where this goes. Oh, but she's starting to give me those, you know, like the glitter kind of going everywhere type thing, but she's shimming, so let's get into it. And I think I actually want to take this shade Hazard on top of that. Don't ask why, but I want to, so we're going to. And I'm just going to pat that on top. So, you know, just make it a little less coppery. But now I'm going with this black shade Gloves On, which technically, you know, is a shimmer kind of. It has some little pink reflex in it, but we're gonna treat it like it's a matte and use it as our outer corner color. Yeah. And just start building that up in that area. Oh, see, that's why you gotta be like real careful with it because it can get crazy real quick. Okay, so there's quite a bit of some goldish glitter there on my face. It's got some fallout there, but that's why I do my eyes anyway. Like, I always wipe my face off before I move on to my complexion, but it was just this shade. Like, I used these 2 so far on my eyes, and this one didn't do that. It was just this one, so maybe it's just that one shade. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe my eyes off there, and then I'll be back for the rest of the products in the collab. So moving on to the blushes, there are 2 pressed powder blushes. This is Construct and this is Whistle While You Work. I think we know which one I'm using. Maybe I can use both. Should I try both? Let's try both. Should I try both? Sure, why not? You know, this pink is looking a little, she was looking a little suspect in the pan. On my face, actually. She's not looking that crazy, but I am also going in with a light hand there, but I'm not that mad at her. Actually, I don't even think I'm gonna use the other one because this one is looking cute on its own. It looks, you know, Barbie pink in the pan, but it doesn't look ashy or that pink on the face. I think I might just keep it with just this one, Whistle While You Work. Okay, all right, I'm gonna try that at a different time. We're just gonna stick with this one. Okay, and the last part of the collaboration are the 2 lip kits. So the first one is, I guess we're gonna find out here. The first one is Slow Down and a lip liner in BFF 4. Okay, but these are looking like colors that are up my alley there. And then the other lip kit is a Satin Lip in Speed Up and a lip liner in BFF 3. Okay, is that a hint that BFF 1 and 2 are coming in the future, or which is a little bit more pink, and another brownish lip liner. Both of the lip liners look like they're legit the color of my actual lips, so I think I'm gonna still line my lips and then use them. Let's figure this out. Okay, so I'm gonna start filling my lip in with the BFF 4 lip liner. Yeah, she would have been a little too light to actually, like, you know, line my lips and still be dark, but she's still cute. And then I'm going to fill it in the middle with Slow Down. Anyone think of Bobby Valentino? Anyone? Are y'all too young for that? Oh, some of you really might be too young for that. Wow, just aged myself. All right. So that is it for my face. I am still playing around with this wig because I really do like it, but she might need like one more adjustment before she's fully ready to go, but that is not the point of the video. So now my thoughts on this collection. First, the eyeshadow palette. I like it. I've used 2 shimmers now because I used this one in my inner corner, and this one and Hazard, I didn't have any issues as far as like the flecks going all over the place. It was just this shade, so, you know, just be cautious of that. You know, cautious, the theme. Anyway, so it was just that one shade. I used 2 mattes. I don't foresee me ever using this shade, but, you know, never say never. But I've used 2 mattes. They were pigmented. They blended easily, which is funny because her first collaboration with them, they were the mattes that I had more issues with, but this one, it was more a shimmer shade. I didn't have any issues with them. That black, even though I did say it has like the kind of pink reflexes in it, once you put it on your eye, you don't really notice it, so you kind of could use it as a matte if you wanted to. But other than that, I think, you know, it's not anything that we haven't seen before. It's an everyday eyeshadow palette, you know, everyday work looks, everyday school looks, everyday, you know, just throwing it on type of looks. And when you have that many shades in it, it makes it easier to use because, you know, it's just like how many, I mean, you can get lots of combinations from it, but it just makes it easier because I know a lot of people say they get overwhelmed when palettes have like 39 shades in it, trying to figure out what to do on their eyes. So it just makes it like an easy everyday type palette. And like I said, it's the size where it makes it travel friendly, and it has a really nice mirror in it. So I just think it's a nice, you know, everyday eyeshadow palette. If you wanted to add another one to your collection, you could there with this. But I think what I was most surprised about with this collaboration would be the blushes, especially the shade blush that I used, because again, if you saw that Trend Mood video that I did, I said I wasn't too sure about the blushes or if I was going to pick them up. Getting the PR package, I have both now, and I even in this video, I was like, you know what, I think I'm gonna use both because I'm not sure about that pink one, but I ended up liking the pink one on its own. She cute. I mean, I've tried their bronzers before and they have nice bronzers, but I found deeper ones since then, so that's why you guys haven't seen them in my recent videos. But now they're, at least their collaboration with Shayla blushes I'm here for, and their bronzers I'm here for, because the rest of their complexion products I've been kind of about. But we'll test this one out in a different video, but I like this one. I'm surprised, but I like her. And the last thing would be the lip products, and once again, I am actually surprised. I've never tried their lip liners before, so I can't really say, you know, if I feel like anything's improved or anything's gotten worse there. It was nice. It was creamy on my lips. What's shocking me here isn't really the lip liner, it's the Satin Lip, because if you've seen me talk about Colourpop Satin Lips before, I've said several times that I don't like them. I actually like the Ultra Mattes that I feel like a lot of people don't like. I actually like their Ultra Mattes more than the Satins, but this one, I don't know. Again, I haven't purchased them like that, so I don't know if there was like a formula change or something, but I am digging this one. Or I don't know if it's a different formula because it's like a collaboration, so she had more say in how it was going to be on your lips, but this feels more like a soft matte than their Satin Lips that I am used to. Again, I don't know if anything's changed. But I feel like this is gonna be less sloppy, less of a mess on your lips, which is why I don't really care for their satin lips. She ain't really going anywhere, you know, like any bleeding or anything like that. I like, and I like the shades on my lips there too. So I'm here for all of it, but what I was most impressed by would be the blushes and this new satin lip. The lip liner, it was all right, you know. Again, it's not really like lining my lips because of the color of my lips, but the satin lip, I'm here for her, and I want to see that pink shade too. And yeah, that is it for this video. It's been a minute since I've tried anything from Colourpop. I think the last order that I made was like the Ellery collaboration, but you know, at least I liked the things that I did try out in this video, and I hope seeing me test them out and hearing some of my thoughts it's helped. If any of you were thinking of picking anything up from this collaboration yourself, make sure to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one.